Django TextField always is required, despite blank equals true, null equals true. I am having trouble with a field that seems to always want to be required despite my best wishes. My word_search text field is always requesting data to be input, but I have been trying to make sure the options allow for a blank. My model is this. You can see the blank equals true, null equals true options. My view is this. My form is this. You can see the required equals false attribute. I am not sure how this field is not allowed to be left blank considering the model has the blank equals true, null equals true options present. Also the widget says that it isn't required.
Try this. To begin, you can just make the class forms.modelForm. Additionally, you had required equals false inside of quotes and as an attribute. Remove the quotes and put it before the attributes of the widget. See if that works.
Try this way. Also, I noticed that key_word is not in your model fields.
Try removing the required property completely from the field attributes. Required equals true/false is not valid. If you want to disable it, you have to remove it completely, per the W3C specs in this article.
She was killed, certified.